man, this thing is so clean. Oh man, so the motor's off being built somewhere?
Yeah, it's pretty empty right now. Everything's back in my garage. Getting ready to throw everything in. Pretty much everything, just throw it all in now, so.
What kind of motor is it? If you mind me asking, you trying to keep the secrets when I get it.
Oh no secrets with this thing. It's an aluminum rod, 2-liter, 4G63.
Okay.
Yeah. So it should be pretty fun once it's all together.
Yeah, I drive that real boring 10 over there.
Hey.
That's still stock. Hey, it's the slowest Evo 10 in Southern Arizona.
That 4V11 life, man. They're good motors.
Yeah, man, that warranty life, man.
Yeah.
That's something.
It's Mitsubishi version of the K20.
Yep. I've heard that before.
Oh, yeah.
Has to happen in the car.
That's hard. Yeah.
Some roll cage action.
If I coat the bar that runs across here, I can do that on the bench. And
Oh man.
curled up inside of there like a
Because race car, y'all.
Yeah.
You need no stinking dash.
It'd be easier to just tie it in, just leaving it there. I mean, it's probably gonna be the same thing, you know.
right. Honestly,
Man, say you don't need no stinking trunk.
with the shiny plates.
Exactly.
Back at home speed. Yeah, as y'all can see, it's dark outside. And the homie Owen still putting in work. Let's see what we got going on here. Ladies and gentlemen, William Bailey, everybody.
Is this my good side, Juan?
Yeah. I'm sure she likes that. This is the better half. What's that, Starbucks?
No.
Oh.
No.
Okay, my bad. So what's good, man? We're working on it.
Putting in this floor piece for this here race car.
Yes. Man.
Where this nice big
Giant
hole
hole
was.
is. Yeah. Well, down. It's a sick red Evo that the homie Owen is putting the cage in. Oh man. This will enable the driver to go very fast and not die.
It's important not to die.
It's the homie from Freedom Fab, everybody.
What's up, man?
Oh man, look at that clean hoodie he has on, man. Where'd you get that from? Get your merch at HawkspeedandCustom.com. Yeah. This cage in, man. Just want to say it's awesome, man. See two shops getting after it to get the job done, man. They're gonna team effort.
It's straight off course, and we're fairly certain they're in guerrilla hands.
So why don't you use the regular army? What do you need us for?
Because some damn fool accused you of being the best.
Dylan! You son of a bitch!
So for all you metal fabrication gurus out there, some type of pipe bending contraption, I'm probably going to, they don't hose me in the comments because I don't know what I'm talking about. But I just want to point out something. Yeah, swag. You got your Instagram, man?
Shall?
Huh?
Shall's not allowed to talk to me.
It's okay, man. You ain't gotta tell me. I won't put you on blast, man.
How close are we?
Yeah. So now we've perfectly trimmed it down to where it can mount to, it's called a halo, right?
Yeah, the
top
is a halo.
Yeah. And I'm assuming you get ready to clean off the top of that with a grinder or something and
I'm gonna put another 6x6 inch plate down. I'm actually gonna stack on this one side and then take some of this floor sound deadening off.
Yeah.
And put this guy over here close to the weld on this other side. I'm gonna put that on top of that one, and then I'm gonna burn that into the floor because the way where this leg landed,
Yeah.
there's not enough room on the existing pad. So even if I brought that back, I don't like where it's at, and so I would rather double down before trying to push this one piece of metal through the floor if anything happened. So I'm gonna add another plate. I'm gonna get the plate put in, and we'll get this cage welded up. We'll get this side tacked in place anyway, and then I'll get that leg, the front leg on that side over there done.
Yeah.
And,
so you're gonna recreate that whole bend.
Yeah, man.
Man.
And it's so you're 65 degrees indicated here, and then you got spring back.
Yeah.
And then down here, 5.5 inches below that is another 30 degrees minus spring back for that to kick back. But that's also 10 degrees. As you're looking at it, it's a 10 degrees rise when this portion of the pipe was in the bender. And so I had to roll that up 10 degrees to get that to kick back down over here and get it away from this tire well. So we can actually get it in the car.
That's why
it works.
Yeah. That's why you build cages and I don't.
Hey man.
Take it to the professionals, man.
It's we got to figure out a way to get this stuff in there, and you know we still got to get the dash back in the car and all that stuff.
Oh yeah. That no dash light.
Yeah. Race car.
Race car. Man, this thing is nice.
So you know why the windows are down?
So they don't catch fire. I don't know.
Oh man. So slag. It's the pictures that we put up on Instagram yesterday, right?
Yeah.
So, you know, grinding wheels, cut off wheels, all that stuff. When they're cleaning the metal or you're cutting the metal or whatever, you've got particles.
Yeah. You don't want that stuff getting in your lungs, man.
That.
Oh man, that's disgusting, man. Why you wearing one of those little breathing apparatuses, man?
So one of those, or all of that rather, flying through the air, what it does is it pits the glass.
Oh
so
God.
you roll the glass down. And then we got the fire blanket back there to put up against the door panels and stuff.
Safety first.
Yeah man, well, I don't want to be ruining this dude's car.
Yeah.
So put the glass down because you don't want to pit that glass and make it look all janky.
Yeah.
But anyway,
Yeah. Just to hold that up there. Yeah.
my non-pretty roads.
Hey man, when it comes to a cage, hey, function over form, man.
That's it. I'm not worried about mine falling out.
Yep.
Did you show that yet? Show the people?
Not the people. Well, they gonna see it when they see this.
There you go.
Them wells, man.
Check it out.
You better.
Check it out.
Oh yeah, this is the. Oh yeah. We talking about this so
Yeah, man.
janky weld.
So you can see there's no penetration, no penetration. It was pretty. And then that's where I hit it with a hammer and knocked it off.
Oh man, it's no bueno, man.
Oh, bueno.
So a little neat fact for you guys is he actually enjoys building cages because of all the science behind it. Oh man, it's a nice touch, man. The Evo 9.
Yeah, man. So Will went and scribbled that thing out at his house. He got a tubing bender from his pops. Dad back in the day used to build dragsters, and he had a bead roller, and that's one of the tools that he got from his father. And,
Cool.
So I sticked him on that because we had to have something in that metal that's real thin. And it's just gonna sit back there and flop around.
Yeah.
So because Evo life,
Yeah.
just add that to the mix.
Not focusing. There we go.
What are we doing? What are you doing?
Let's just come by, check up, man, see how the cage was going. I know we were in here in the last episode, or last part,
Yep.
like 9 o'clock at night, man. Putting in that work.
I don't know. Did you see the trunk thing? You did?
Yeah.
So, struck tower bar, the door bars, the main halo is what we were working on Wednesday, and so that's done. And then the difference in where the mount is on the A pillar of the car, so I couldn't get it down inside. So we had to have the glass cut out. I gotta weld one more reinforcement bar, duct bar on the other side, and put the window net in it, and then that's it.
Man,
Hopefully he comes and gets it.
done, sir, done. Well, if you guys in need of some cage action, stop by HopseeandCustom.com.